Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. So guys, we can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you may just make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you may go back and you may make sure that if you have any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may open your App Store and in search bar, you may write here Cash App and you may make sure that you have latest and updated version of Cash App. If you're not latest and updated version, please update your Cash App from here. After this, guys, you may go back and you may open your Cash App. So let's say guys, I am opening that one and you may log in or sign in with your account. Then you may click here on your activity and click on a person or business on which you want to cancel transaction. So you may check I have this pending transaction. If you want to cancel this, you may click here on three lines and here the option of cancel request. So you may click here and your request will be cancelled and your pending payment will be removed. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.